Dan Williams, Survive Outdoors. Today what we're going to do is find out which fire starter of cotton balls and duct tape lasts longer. We got one with Vaseline, we have one with pine resin, we have another one with hand sanitizer, and we're going to throw a little duct tape in there, see which one burns longer. Because you're going to want to know that, especially if it's wet or your tinder is wet. So let's check it out and see what happens. We're going to trying to get about a half a teaspoon of the sap from this white pine. And this is going to be one. I'm going to have a fun time cleaning off that knife. But this is going to be one of the experimental cotton balls that we're going to show you. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to try to get about 2.5 ml, which is about half a teaspoon of Vaseline in this cotton ball. And we probably are a little shy on the resin from the pine tree. So the first one is going to be the Vaseline impregnated cotton ball. Second one is going to be the pine resin. Third one is going to be some hand sanitizer, Germex. It has the same percentage of alcohol as Purell. And I'm going to guess this to be about half a teaspoon. We're going to use that one and saturate that. Now, obviously, the longer you wait, the alcohol is going to evaporate. So we need to put, this is not going to be the most accurate scientific study. And then I'm going to use GM duct tape. Later we can try it. I'm going to get one, two, let's see how much that is right there. About 3.5 inches of GM duct tape. And we're going to see which one burns the longest. Vaseline, pine resin, Purell, and the duct tape. Which right now I can tell you that duct tape isn't even going to catch. It's old, I have to admit that. I wonder if that plays a role. Purell, the hand sanitizer, which is not surprising, is going to burn out, looks like first. That alcohol evaporates really quickly. And the race is on for the Vaseline and the pine resin. So this is really interesting in terms of if you're in a situation and your tinder that you're using is wet, you want to have something that's going to last as long as it can. I want to help dry out the tinder. And remember, you want to have a dry base. That helps a lot because those fine coals fall down to the ground, and you have the wet ground, it's going to put those out. But if you have a dry base, that's going to help a lot. And I think we've lost the hand sanitizer. And the GM duct tape wasn't even in the running here at all. Interesting. May want to do one down the road with Gorilla Tape. Really impressive to me, the pine resin. I didn't think I had about half a teaspoon or 2.5 mLs. I thought I had a little less. It was hard to get the pine resin, as you saw. But both of these are impressive in terms of timing. I mean, I cut away for a minute. I mean, we're over 4 minutes of burn time. And if you have all of your tinder ready and ready to go, I mean, that's long. We're going to definitely go over 5 minutes here. And there's just a slight wind. Um, so we'll get back at you and show you the winner. Well, the pine resin just died out, and we have Vaseline, and that is the one that's going to be the winner. And it's going to be about 7 minutes and 30 seconds that the guy lasted, and it's still burning. Pretty impressive. So if you're out there and you have a choice between your Vaseline, pine resin, or hand sanitizer or even duct tape. This one, I don't know. We're going to have to go back and check this sucker out with some Gorilla Tape. Anyway, there you have it. I hope this helps. It was a learning experience for me also. So, guys, keep your eyes on the rise and your face to the wind. Stay safe.